A very good morning to all my dear students. Children, today we will study chapter 13, Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Children, magnetism and electricity were considered to be two different or separate branch of physics. They were not considered to be related to each other. Okay. But in the year 1820, Sir Hans Christian Ørsted accidentally discovered that a compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through a metallic wire placed nearby. There was this very simple experiment done by Sir Ørsted, and in the screen you can see this is Sir Ørsted doing his experiment. And after his discovery, a new branch was established known as electromagnetism. Yes, children, now we use electromagnetism very frequently, this term, but this was a huge discovery. His discovery can be understood by this two circuit diagram. Here in this circuit diagram, one side you can see an open switch in which the compass needle, magnetic compass needle, does not get deflected. But in the other one, the switch is closed and the current flows through the circuit, and therefore the compass needle get deflected. So thus, from this a very simple experiment, he concluded that electricity and magnetism, they are related to each other. But not only this, in this diagram, this may look like a same type of a diagram, and they are similar also. The only thing is that the direction of the terminals of the battery, they are changed. You can see the positive and negative of the battery in both the diagrams, they are changed, and therefore the direction of deflection is also changed. Now how do we come to know about the direction of deflection? For this we apply Snow rule. So when electric current is passed through the wire from south to north direction and the wire is placed over the compass needle get deflected toward west direction. So in this circuit diagram, there is a very simple circuit diagram. You can see that the direction of the flow of current is from south to north of the magnetic compass needle, and therefore it deflects toward west. So south to north over west, that's Snow rule. And if you reverse the direction of the current, then the direction of the compass needle also gets deflected, and then it moves toward the east direction, that is northeast direction. So children, today we will conclude till here, and now the work for you is, this is a diagram from your NCERT book. This you will draw in your fair copy, children, and the Snow rule from the video, you will write it in your fair copy. Okay, children? So this is all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Keep studying. Thank you.